Sarah, thanks for emailing me. Let's take a look at how to order your unofficial transcript for the experiential credit paperwork. You can see on the screen I'm at the Madison College homepage, and what I want you to do, so I want you to get here and then at the top click on current students. It doesn't look like it changes very much, but it does, and then scroll down until you see the link for My Madison College. That's the one you want. Click on My Madison College, scroll down again until you see the link to log in to the new portal. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Now, when you click on that, it'll ask you to log in, use your regular old Madison College username and password. I'm going to pause for just a minute so that I can get my screen to look like what you'll see next. Okay, so you go ahead and log in. Okay, we're back. So you should see a screen similar to this. I have scrolled down a little bit. What we're looking for is at the left, this box that says Other Academic. Go ahead and click there and then choose Academic Requirements. Click that option, and then you have to click the little chevrons to advance. Okay, I'm going to pause one more time. You click that chevron and let it process. It does take a while to get to the next screen. I'll catch up with you in just a second. Okay, here we are, our last step to figuring out how to submit an unofficial transcript. You should see a screen that looks something similar to this. There's lots of things you can do here. One of the things you can do is click Expand All, and it'll expand all of these categories to show absolutely all of the information. So I want you to go ahead and click Expand All, and then once that's done processing, click View Report as PDF. It's that PDF that you can save to your computer, print, or email with your submission, or however I think you submit experiential credit to Blackboard. You can use that PDF as your unofficial transcript. I know that Jennifer Larrabee is the professor who processes experiential credit, so you could also ask her this question, but this is my advice for how I would submit it. All right, good luck to you. Let me know if you have any other questions at all.